Namaste guys, welcome to 27th December session of the Hindu analysis. So we are doing here a connecting current affair with the static part. So coming on to the first page on 27th December 2021, the Hindu, two more booked for Haridwar hate meet. So you don't need to get into what is going on in the Haridwar hate meet. What you have to see is UAPA, the Unlawful Activities Prevention Act, again coming in news. So you can read what is a UAPA 1967 that was brought in 1967, and also the recent amendment of 2019 that allows the government to designate individual also as a terrorist. Earlier it was only organization which was which can be designated as a terrorist organization. So you can remember that thing as well. Also, one important thing is here, section 153A of Indian Penal Code is also coming in news. What it is, promoting enmity between different groups on the ground of religion. So that is important to read from this article. Coming to the next news, here it is. Executive shows a trend of disrespect court orders. So it is said by the Honorable Chief Justice of India. So he is highlighting the challenges that judiciary is facing. One of the challenges he has highlighted that non-cooperative executive. So since it has been said by an authority, respected authority of India, so you can quote these things in your examination also. So what he has said that court do not have the power of the purse or the sword. Court orders are only good when they get executed. So it is important. You can remember these things and quote in your examination or mains examination, especially in your either essay or the GS answers. Another important news coming from South Africa is anti-apartheid icon Desmond Tutu dies. So he was anti-apartheid leader from South Africa who fought against the apartheid apartheid regime of the white British. So you can remember that thing as well. Also, he was related to he also get Nobel Peace Prize in 1984. So you can remember that thing as well. And also he was related to South Africa is also famous for one more important leader is Nelson Mandela. He was Gandhian in his nature, so you can remember his name also. Also, he was the only second foreigner to get the Bharat Ratna award. So you can write down in comment section that which foreigner was the first to get Bharat Ratna award. The year was almost same, like in 1980s or 90s. So you can write down in comment section who was. One hint I would give you is it is not Mother Teresa. Of course, coming to another news here, it is Nagaland panel to look into APSPA Armed Forces Special Power Act withdrawal. So we are planning to come with a video on this issue APSPA soon. So stay tuned till then. Coming to the page number 2, here it is night shelters last hope for Delhi's homeless during winter, but complaints remain. So what is important here is Pradhan Mantri Awas Yojana that was launched by Ministry of Housing and Urban Affairs, which promises housing for all by 2022 and only 4 days remaining in 2021. So deadline is coming closer. So what are the challenges that our government is facing in implementing the PM Awas Yojana? You can see that thing as well. Coming on to the page number 3, government to impose night curfew in Delhi. So many people are saying that why at night, why not in day? So you have to think that poor people who are working every day to feed their families, their life will again come to halt after the lockdown. You know, economy will slow down. If of course we have seen in the first lockdown, first phase lockdown also that economies were slowed down and migrant workers were left with no jobs and they had to return to their home, which causes several disruption in their life as well. We have seen that several people died during the reverse migration that happened. So economy will slow down and the one who suffered most is not the rich person but the poor people who has to dig well daily to quench the thirst. So it is important not to impose a lockdown so that these poor people doesn't get poorer with time. Also, you can see Oxfam inequality report, which cites that instead of slowdown of economy, the India's richest persons, their wealth has increased by 35%. So you can see that thing as well. Also, this article is talking about graded response action plan. So that was set by Supreme Court for the emergency purposes, for especially for Delhi and NCR region. So another important article here is on page number 4. impact of misgovernance in Haryana. So we have seen that recently on 25th December, India celebrated Good Governance Day on the birthday of former Prime Minister Atal Bihari Vajpayee. So we will come with a separate video explaining what is governance, what is a United Nations Charter on governance, what is its importance for the UPSC point of view. So stay tuned till then. Other important news coming from the Sikkim here is tourist stuck near Changu Lake in Sikkim. So you have to see Changu Lake on the map. This is only important thing that you can see from here. Changu Lake on map, and also remember the state Changu Lake is in Sikkim. Coming on to the page number 5. Yeah, it is Mandal Puja performed at Ayyappa temple in Sabrimala. So Sabrimala was famous just 2-3 years back. It came in news. So you all must be knowing for what it came in news. You can write down in comment section what was the reason why Sabrimala came in news in 2018 or so. Also, here it is one important article. Statutory grant for MSP is a must. So what is MSP? What is whether it is possible to give MSP a statutory guarantee for MSP or not? We will soon come with a video on this discussing all the important things. So don't worry. Another important article here is Tharoor told to stick to Congress stand. So what this article is talking about, that K-Rail Silver Line project, about the K-Rail Silver Line project. So you can remember this K-Rail Silver Line project is in Kerala. Mekadutu March. So Mekadutu is another dam in Tamil Nadu on the river. On which river, you can write down in comment section. Mekadutu project is being built on which river in Karnataka. So you can write down in comment section. Coming on to the page number 6, editorial page. Here it is, elderly are assets, not dependents. So this article is very beautifully explaining that since two important things here, it is demographic dividend and also the Asian tigers, the countries such as South Korea, Taiwan, Hong Kong, and you must be amazed to know that in 1960s, Pakistan was also called the Asian tiger because at that time their growth rate was very high. And this article is talking about the demographic dividend and importance of youth in the economy also, and highlighting the what are the factors, what are the schemes that are running for youth, facilitating their education, entrepreneurship, sports training, etc., all for the well-being. But it is highlighting that there are inadequate schemes for elderly, and we can elderly are not dependents, they are assets because they have vast experience, vast knowledge that can be utilized for the benefit of society or benefit of the nation. So this article is very important. You can get a read through this article, and also it contains certain important data like Niti Aayog report indicates that 400 million Indians do not have financial cover for health expenses. So you can also see what is out of the pocket expenditure. All these things are explained in this article. Another important article here is a chance to tap India's high equity in Myanmar. So this article is talking about the importance of Myanmar for India. So some of the importance are like Kaladan multimodal project for the connectivity of in mainland India to the India's northeast. Also India-Myanmar Thailand trilateral highway, or certain Sitwe port is also developed by India, and many more things are there in the Myanmar. So this article is talking about all the issues, as Myanmar is also a bridge between India and the ASEAN nation. So you can read this article and explain the importance of the Myanmar for India. Also, Operation Sunrise is carried by Indian and Myanmar forces on the India-Myanmar border to curb the terrorism on the border areas. So that is very important. Myanmar is very important for India's security point of view as well. So coming on to the page number 7, here it is, Iran nuclear talks reverberate in the Gulf. So this article is talking about, not important to read what this article, but what is important is you can see what is Iran nuclear deal, especially the official name, Joint Comprehensive Plan of Action, which countries were involved in this, P5+1 Germany, and also Iran, of course, Iran, and also INSTEX mechanism that was developed by European Union to bypass the sanctions put by USA to trade with Iran. Also the GCC, Gulf Cooperation Council. What is Gulf Cooperation Council? Which are the countries in the Gulf Cooperation Council, where the headquarters of the Gulf Cooperation Council, and the recent or 2-3 years back, GCC has done a blockade of Qatar. So you can see these things as well. Coming on to the page number 8, here it is. Center will grant statehood for Puducherry, says CM. So Puducherry and Delhi were earlier only union territories with legislative assembly, but after the bifurcation of Jammu and Kashmir also became a union territory with legislative council. And Delhi and Pondicherry both are demanding the full statehood. So you can remember that Puducherry was former French colony and it gained independence in 1954. There are 4 districts. Puducherry district and Karaikal district are surrounded by the Tamil Nadu. Mahe district surrounded by the Kerala, Yanam district surrounded by the Andhra Pradesh. And you can also see process of making states from union territory. Like Article 2 says that any state to be admitted from outside India, it allows. And Article 3 is used to convert state into union territories or union territories into state. So you can remember that thing as well. Also, one important thing is earlier only Delhi was the only union territory with its own high court. But after the bifurcation of course, Jammu and Kashmir became the second union territory with its own high court. So another important news here it is Swadeshi Jagran Manch calls for ban on crypto trading. So don't know why they are planning to ban crypto trading in India. So you can remember see what is crypto trading. And recently Subhash Chandra Garg committee came in news because it had recommended government to ban the private cryptocurrency. So you can see these things as well. Another important article here is India hands over food aid defense equipment to Mozambique. So Mozambique is where it is in the southeastern Africa part of Africa part. So you can see its location on the map as well. Also the West Mozambique channel between Madagascar and Mozambique. And also you can see what are Vanilla Islands. Where is Vanilla? And also see Operation Vanilla of the Indian Navy. Okay, so coming on to the page number 10. On page number 10, one important article here is on page number 10, anti-dumping duty on 5 Chinese goods. So what is anti-dumping duty? Also, what is safeguard measures? So you can see anti-dumping duty is put on those goods which are exported by a country with a rate lower than what it is selling in its own country, and sometimes the rate are so low that the input cost is also larger than the selling cost. So to avoid the market disruption, many countries put anti-dumping duty on such goods that are exported by different countries. Like China is master in these tactics. So India has to put anti-dumping duty in order to avoid any market disruption. So with this coming on to page number 11, this is important page for the international politics point of view. Again, we have seen this Tutu who fought for a rainbow nation dies at 90. We have seen it on the first page also. Taliban regime imposes more curbs on women as expected from the Taliban Sharia law. Also, I wonder many people are demanding Sharia law in India also. I wonder what they are actually mean. So you can see these things as well. Here it is, Chinese Ambassador Key's visit to Jaffna sparks concern in Sri Lanka. So Jaffna, why it is important? Because Jaffna comes in the northernmost part of the Sri Lanka, which are the Tamil majority area, and Tamil majority area are important for the Sri Lankan civil war that Litte, Liberation Tigers for Tamil Elam, demanded a separate Tamil nation for the Tamilians living in the Sri Lanka. So this is important for that point of view. You can see that thing. Also, Israel plans to double settlement in Golan. So what is Golan? Golan Heights, see it is on a map. See it on map. Golan Heights were earlier part of Syria, but Israel has occupied from Syria in a war, and USA has officially recognized Golan Heights as a part of Israel. So you can remember that thing as well. Sri Lanka to sign Trinco deal with India soon. So important. Coming on to the page number 12, only one important article here. It is log on to GSEC with RBI's retail direct scheme. So what is GSEC? Government securities, and also you can see what is open market operation that is performed by RBI selling and purchasing of government securities, and what is retail direct scheme. Earlier it was like if RBI issuing the government securities, it has to go through a certain bank. You have to go through certain bank to purchase government securities, but RBI is coming with retail direct scheme. So you can directly purchase the government securities from the RBI's portal only. And it is said that platform charges no fees for account opening, maintenance, or transaction. So you can see that as well. Very important scheme, retail direct scheme. So that's all from this page. Coming on to the page text and context. One important article was there on page text and context. Here it is, the India Out campaign in the Maldives. So it is carried out by whom? The Chinese puppet, former President Abdullah Yameen. So you can see what is the importance of Maldives for India and its location on the map in the Indian Ocean especially. And the also Operation Cactus was there when Indian Army saves Myanmar, not Myanmar, Maldives from the military coup that was organized by a Litte backed organization. So you can see Operation Cactus. Either it was Operation Cactus or something else. Let me see it on internet. It is Operation Cactus 1988 Maldives coup d'etat attempt. So you can see Operation Cactus as well. So that's all from today's newspaper. We will meet again tomorrow. So till then, stay tuned.